What if I told you that you could turn your knowledge into passive income? And no, it's not a scam. It's called an online course. There are 3 main benefits to creating an online course. 1. You get to share your knowledge with the world. No. 2. You can make money even while you sleep. Number 3. You can help people at scale. If you're thinking that you don't know anything that would be valuable to others, think again. You have skills and knowledge in areas that you may not even realize. It could be anything from cooking to coding, from music production to marketing. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you do need to be an expert in your field to create an online course. You just need to be willing to share what you know